Ever noticed your Nespresso machine slowing down or not brewing like it used to? Hard water deposits can build up inside, quietly sabotaging your coffee experience. The good news: with the official Nespresso Descaling Solution, you can restore your machine's peak performance and keep every cup tasting just right. I've used Nespresso machines for years, and skipping descaling always led to trouble, automatic shutdowns, weaker coffee, and frustration. Once I started using the Nespresso Descaling Solution regularly, everything changed. This product is designed specifically for all Nespresso models, from OriginalLine to VertuoLine, including favorites like Lattissima, Le Cube, Inissia, Citiz, and U. Each package comes with two 100 ml packets and clear instructions, making the process simple and hassle-free. Nespresso recommends descaling at least once a year, but experts suggest doing it every 300 capsules or roughly every 3 months to avoid buildup. This small step prevents costly repairs and ensures your machine lasts longer. Plus, descaling improves the taste and temperature of your coffee, so every cup feels fresh and satisfying. If you're serious about your coffee routine, this descaling solution is worth a look. It's a straightforward way to protect your investment and enjoy consistent results. Try it when you're ready. Keeping your Nespresso machine clean means better coffee and fewer interruptions. Ready to keep your Nespresso brewing like new? Grab the official Nespresso Descaling Solution and follow the easy steps to refresh your machine. With this simple maintenance, you'll enjoy smooth operation and delicious coffee every single day.